Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, but today we're not going to do any crafting. We're actually going to do a Dollar Tree haul and just see what I came up with. There's a few things at Dollar Tree. I went to a Dollar Tree far, far away up north of Dallas. I live about 20 minutes south of Dallas, but this was about 30 minutes north of Dallas. So anyway, far, far away from a land not near me. And we're going to see what they have. They have quite a bit more variety than the Dollar Trees that are in my area. So it was kind of nice to see. It was nice to stop by. So that's what we're going to take a look at today. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So this is what I found at the Dollar Tree. Again, that's not close to me at all. It's about an hour away from my house, about an hour north from my house, give or take. And these are just random items. You can probably find them every day at your local Dollar Tree if you have a halfway decent Dollar Tree. This didn't seem to be a spectacular Dollar Tree, but a pretty good one. So, and I'm sorry about the bag crinkling. I wasn't going to lay everything out, so we'll have to get over the bag crinkling, okay? So first, just some basics. The makeup brush holder that came out, gosh, has it been a year already? I don't know. But again, my Dollar Tree's never got this, so this is the first time I've actually seen it in a store. So it just holds your brushes. I have some ideas on making a makeup holder container type of thing for my bathroom. So, makeup brush holder with silicone cups. It has the 3 silicone cups on the back so that you can just silicone it to your mirror, I suppose is the idea. So the makeup brush holder. And then fall is coming quickly. And I don't know if these were from last year maybe and they were just pulling them out since fall is almost here again. But the regular metal words, thankful, harvest, and welcome. They have these every year, and I get them almost every year because I do use the word welcome on my wreaths. And so I figure I better restock because I don't know where all mine went. So, thankful, welcome, and harvest. Always get those. They're a good size. And then I got some regular white chalk. I have an idea for some wall decor using black poster board or foam core board and chalk. So we'll see if it actually happens, but I bought some chalk for that. And I just got white. I was thinking about getting the color, but then I was like, I probably won't like the color, so I just got white. And then I saw these, the Crafty DIY guy picked these up. I don't know how long it's been, a couple weeks, maybe a week, 2 weeks, I don't know. And I saw them, and again, I had never seen them before, so I picked them up. And they're just candle stands, and they're the same size. There was only the one size that I could find. So I got 2 of them. I should have gotten 3, but I actually have an idea for these to make them different sizes. So, got 2 of those. And then some tape. I needed some tape. Just regular old mailing, shipping tape. Nothing special there. And the Dollar Tree tape is actually not a good deal, but because I use so very little of it, I don't want a big roll that's going to go bad because it's been sitting for 3 years or whatever. So I just get the little roll and it's fine. It works for me. And then I got the little party, whatever this is, table sitter, because so at work, I give my team once a month, someone from my team gets a special prize, I guess. And I used to have a crown, and the crown is long gone, so I thought I would make a new prize. So this is gonna be the base for my new prize that they get at their desk every month. So we'll see how this comes about. We'll see how that works. I'm not sure. And then I picked this up. Okay, so it's just a plastic horse. It's actually heavier than I thought it would be. It's just a plastic horse. Well, this is actually a unicorn. It comes with two. There's a little one here and then there's the larger one here. I am not a fan of unicorns, but from what I can tell, I can break off the wings and the unicorn part, or at least use my burner tool, wood burner, and melt those off, because I saw at Hobby Lobby, they had this cute little statue stand looking thing where it was like the horse was standing on a thing like this, and it was, I believe theirs was black. And so I'm thinking of making something like that. So I picked up this horse. This was the only horse-ish type of item they had. They had elephants and they had leopards and giraffes. I didn't want that. I wanted a horse. So this is the horse that I chose. And this one, I think I'm gonna try to do this next week. We'll see how that goes though. I did only pick up one of them because I wasn't real sure I was gonna make it work. But so I got the horse, or the unicorn. And then summer toys are out and in full swing. So I got this plastic boomerang, and I actually got this for my dog, and I to play out in the backyard. So it's actually for my dog. So she gets to play with that, or I guess we get to play with that when we go outside. And then your receipt. You've heard about Fetch Rewards by now, I'm sure. Make sure to save your receipt. On this trip, I spent $28.76. I believe there was something on here. I don't know what it was. Oh, the Harvest Metal Words. These were 1 penny. They weren't $1.25. These were 1 penny. I didn't know that buying them, but as she rung it up, I looked and it said 1 penny. I'm like, well, what was that she just rung up? So I don't know if it's true at your store as well, but right now, as of today, these metal words were 1 penny. So that's pretty awesome. I love that. And again, scan your receipt in Fetch Rewards. You raise points to get gift cards. And then, oh, one more thing. Stamp block. Stamp block, I bought some stamps before. I have not yet used them. Hopefully they don't just sit in the the dream box forever without being used. So I bought a stamp block in order to use them. I don't know how to stamp. I've never done it before. Never really cared too much about it. But I have seen people use them. Unicorn Dust Design, Sammy, she uses stamps quite a bit and they look really good. I don't know if I can do it that well, but I'm gonna try. I've got my little Dollar Tree stamp block to try. And then I found these little hanging photo frames. It fits a 4x4 photo, and I liked the design. And so when you're looking at it this way, it's just, you know, regular, you hang your photo up right here, and there's just one little post holding it up. If you turn it around, you can see how it comes together. I'm thinking of doing something else with this. I actually got a few of these. So I got the, whatever shape this is. Then I picked up a round one in black. And then I also picked up a round one in gold. And so I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it work, but I'm thinking of making, there's a DIY mixed in here somewhere. So I don't know if you'll ever see it because I don't know if it'll work. But I bought 3 of them. They all fit the 4x4 photos. And you just slide your photo in there. There's a little acrylic piece here that you stick your folder in between, and it sits there and you hang it up on the wall supposedly. You could probably do pressed flowers in here, I'm betting. You'd have to put a white background behind them, but you could, that might be kind of cool. Or obviously just your regular photo. Or if you're anything like me, you will take it all apart and do something different, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So I think that's everything. But wait, there's more. I got these press-on nails, these Kiss press-on nails, 24 in a package. They fit okay. They're not great. They're not horrible. I did not use any glue. I literally just pressed them on, and they're okay. I would use glue if I bought them again, however. That's my Dollar Tree haul. Most of these items I don't have at my local or my close Dollar Trees, so this was somewhat of an adventure for me. And I'm happy I went. I'm happy I've stopped. Just a few things, so hopefully you can find these items at your Dollar Tree as well. So thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you should subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. I thank you so much for stopping by today, and I sure hope that you appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.